Hey, busy parents, the hustle of 2023 is coming to an end. While the year may be wrapping up, it's the perfect time to start looking towards the 2024 year and considering different ways to supplement your income in the coming year, all while managing the increasing demands and joys of parenthood. We understand that as parents, your time is precious. That's why we're here to help with some smart, time-efficient strategies to boost income without causing more stress or taking time away from your family. First up, let's talk about drop shipping. It's an innovative e-commerce strategy that doesn't require you to manage or store any inventory. Instead, you sell products directly from the manufacturer, meaning you won't need to worry about storage or shipping. Plus, with the power of the internet, your customer base isn't just in your area. It's potentially the entire world. This makes it an impressive option for the ambitious, time-constrained parents looking to make a significant income with minimal overhead costs. Next, consider the world of self-publishing. Do you have a knack for telling engaging stories, or perhaps you've been inventing bedtime tales for your little ones? Why not turn these brilliant narratives into a children's book series? Whether choose to go the route of creating ebooks or audiobooks, there's a hungry market out there waiting for fresh, exciting content. Our third suggestion is online courses. Do you have a unique skill set or expertise? Perhaps you've mastered some parenting hacks, developed successful business strategies, or perfected delicious recipes. Share your knowledge with the world right from the comfort of your living room. With the increasing demand for online learning, you could create a profitable course in your area of expertise. Lastly, let's explore affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to earn a passive income. All you need to do is promote products that you genuinely love and earn a commission when someone purchases through your referral link. It really is as simple as that. Remember, your journey to financial success is a blend of determination, creativity, and a dash of wit. It might not be easy, but with hard work, patience, and a willingness to try new things, you're well on your way to make 2024 your most prosperous year yet. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more just like it, join a community of parent entrepreneurs by hitting that subscribe button.